I'm going to show you how to update your firmware on Bangle.js. So while you can update apps with the app loader, the firmware, which is basically like the operating system on this watch, has to be updated specially. We'd recommend you use a mobile phone for this, either Android or iOS is fine. You just need an app called NRF Toolbox installed. So first off, we'll check our firmware version. If we go to the About window, on the second line down here, we'll see version 2v10.219, and we can definitely get an updated firmware for that. So if you go to espruino.com/download, find a binary, and press Bangle.js 2, you'll see some firmwares here. The highest one is probably the best one to get, Espruino 2v11. There might be newer versions by the time you look at this, and we'll just download that. The other files here, 2v10.219 and 236, these are the files that the firmwares that the Kickstarter Bangles were released with. And cutting edge builds are the absolute latest firmware. Every time we make a change to the software, within an hour it will be built and put in here. That is mostly untested, but you will get the absolute latest version of the firmware. Next thing to do is to go to NRF Toolbox, go to DFU for device firmware update, select the file that you downloaded, distribution packet, select escape all, and then we just need to put our device into bootloader mode. So we long press the button, it'll go back to the clock, and if you keep pressing, it goes to the blocky bootloader text with the equals going across the screen. And as long as we release the button while the equals are going across the screen, it'll go into DFU mode and say DFU start. You can then say select device, find DFU targ here, and click upload, and it'll say connect, and it'll go through the process of updating. Now this will take several minutes, but at the end of this, the Bangle will restart and you'll have up-to-date firmware. Thanks for watching.